I've got a gallery airbrush to give away. Find out more right now here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Yeah, today is gallery giveaway time. Now, what there is up for offer today is a gallery GH8068 airbrush, trigger type airbrush, not this one because this is my one. You can't have it, but a brand new one straight from the warehouse, delivered direct to you. The Gallery 68, as I said, trigger style airbrush. It's really good for sort of longer use things, priming, varnishing, things like that. Sometimes the varnishing, you can use several coats and dry between coats. You can use it to air blow and dry things as well, and then recoat. It's really, really comfortable to use. Comes with two needle sizes of 0.5mm, which is ideal for those larger areas, and 0.38, which is good for smaller areas. You can even get in and do really fine sort of camouflage effects and stuff like that, even with a 0.38 needle. It's quite amazing. Check out my video where I've used the airbrush. It's a really, really good one. The nozzles on here are the self-centering type, so you unscrew this, screw it back on. There's no don't have to put the nozzle into one of those tiny little threaded things that always shear off if you turn them too much. None of that. Straight in there, self-centers. No problem at all. Nozzles come with 8 air channels, so it evens out the airflow around the nozzle, gives you a nice atomization out the front end. I loved using this. As I say, check out my video on it. I've really enjoyed using this, and I use it pretty much every time I do any kind of work with the airbrush. Now, how are you going to win one of these? Well, it's a simple draw. All you have to do, just leave a comment for this video. In the comment, you must include hashtag gallery68. Okay, double check the spelling. GAAHLERI 68. Okay, no space between the gallery and the 68. Make your comment, leave your comment before the end of next Saturday, so before midnight at the end of Saturday, the 13th of January 2023. After midnight, I will ask a program called Comment Picker to go through all the comments that have been left on the video and pick one that's got that hashtag. Whoever that is will win the airbrush. I'll let you know on Monday Matters on the 15th of January. Oddly enough, it's my birthday, yet I'm giving something away. How about that? Then I'll just say this is the YouTube name tag of the person who won it. You email me with your address. I give your address to gallery. They ship it out to you. That's it. It takes about 3 or 4 days to get to you. Simple as that. Someone's got to win it. Someone's got to have one of these things. And trust me, I really like this airbrush. I really, really enjoy using it. It's an excellent thing. You're going to want one in your life. So remember, all you have to do, leave a comment under here with the hashtag gallery68 somewhere in the text, and that's an automatic entry. I will point out that Comment Picker does filter out duplicate entries, so if it's, if you leave like 20 comments with your name, it's only going to pick one of them out and add it to the pot. It will filter out multiple applications or multiple entries, as it were. So that's all there is to it. Best of luck. I look forward to announcing the winner week on Monday. So leave your comments and very good luck to you. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you soon. Take care. Goodbye.